Hello, I'm Sandra.
I'm Sam.
And I'm Fred. And we are Mapro Night Frank.
Welcome to this extraordinary residence in Quinta do Lago, a perfect blend of contemporary elegance and advanced technology.
From the moment you arrive, every detail speaks of quality and innovation.
Let's begin our tour of a home where smart living meets refined design.
No face recognition?
Only the right face.
Step inside to a double-height entrance hall where you're greeted by the warmth of the textured walls and the inspiring floating staircase, combining art and extraordinary engineering. The kitchen is a masterpiece of design, ideal for intimate dinners and grand gatherings.
Featuring not one, but two kitchen islands for those who love cooking and those who love socializing.
And the open-plan living area flows effortlessly into vast outdoor living spaces.
The ground floor also includes 4-bedroom suites and a guest cloakroom. The entire first floor is dedicated to the main bedroom suite, a sanctuary of sophistication, complete with its own private terrace and breathtaking views.
And every moment here is unforgettable.
Upon the roof, you'll find the ultimate outdoor retreat, with vistas that frame the beauty of nature, perfect for relaxation or al fresco entertaining.
In the lower level, experience the wellness area with a dedicated spa. Every detail from the tranquil pool, the massage room, to the high-tech gym caters to your well-being.
From the champagne bar and wine room to the stylish lounge and cinema room, this floor offers the complete lifestyle experience.
Not to mention a smart garage with a turntable and a dedicated charging station.
The lush gardens are a natural extension of this home, carefully landscaped with mature plants and elegant water features, creating a peaceful retreat.
The outdoor kitchen area and the thoughtfully positioned covered and open terraces enhance the indoor and outdoor lifestyle.
Together, they create an harmonious balance between the refined indoor luxury and the natural beauty of outdoors.
Thank you for joining our tour of this exceptional Quinta do Lago villa. Every detail reflects a commitment to innovation and excellence.
This isn't just a home. It's a lifestyle for those who appreciate quality and refined design. Create your own memories with the property and make your move.
For more information on this property, check out our website with reference 1870 and book your viewing today. See you soon!